I go to the supermarket. I go to the supermarket. I take a shopping cart. I take a shopping cart. I look at my shopping list. I look at my shopping list. I walk to the vegetable section. I walk to the vegetable section. I pick fresh vegetables. I pick fresh vegetables. I choose ripe fruits. I choose ripe fruits. I check the price. I check the price. I compare the prices. I compare the prices. I go to the dairy section. I go to the dairy section. I buy some milk. I buy some milk. I choose low-fat milk. I choose low-fat milk. I pick up some eggs. I pick up some eggs. I go to the meat section. I go to the meat section. I choose fresh chicken. I choose fresh chicken. I buy some bread. I buy some bread. I look for snacks. I look for snacks. I put snacks in the cart. I put snacks in the cart. I choose my favorite tea. I choose my favorite tea. I go to the beverage aisle. I go to the beverage aisle. I look for fresh orange juice. I look for fresh orange juice. I check the expiration date. I check the expiration date. I put yogurt in my cart. I put yogurt in my cart. I buy some cheese. I buy some cheese. I look for instant coffee. I look for instant coffee. I buy a jar of jam. I buy a jar of jam. I go to the checkout counter. I go to the checkout counter. I wait in line. I wait in line. I put my items on the belt. I put my items on the belt. I pay in cash. I pay in cash. I pay with my card. I pay with my card. I get the receipt. I get the receipt. I pack my groceries. I pack my groceries.
Thank you for shopping with us.
I carry the heavy bags. I carry the heavy bags. I walk to the parking lot. I walk to the parking lot. I put the bags in the car. I put the bags in the car. I go home with my groceries. I go home with my groceries.